Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. I hope that those are watching my video, all of you are doing fit and fine. So now this is our morning time. Now it is 6 a.m. and right now I have come here to grow some garlic. As you can see, there are some garlic here. Actually these are garlic seed, and you can see I am growing the garlic seed. Look here, there are some garlic seed. Look, and I have grown this side, and look there, I have grown this side. Now I am growing my behind actually. So actually we grow our vegetable for meeting our family need. Actually this is not our business. We grow these types of vegetable for meeting our family need. That's why I'm growing this vegetable. So as you can see, especially my father take care of this field, but he has gone to visit my sister house. That's why I'm working here, and it is quite challenging for me because I don't do this type of work regularly. Actually I'm a shop worker. I work in a pesticide shop, so that's why this work is very difficult for me. And moreover, I'd like to show you my uncle. Look behind me, he is preparing his soil. Actually he will grow there some potato. That's why he is preparing his soil or land. Now I'm recording myself. Actually I make this video for my practicing purpose. Actually without practice I can't improve myself, and I and I won't develop my English speaking skill. So that's why I'm recording myself. So if you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly like me. Now keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.